I'll
Yes.
stick to 4 judgments. What I've
That-
done in the meantime is,
You got your note.
I've got 3 things done. The timeline that I gave to your lordships yesterday,
Yes.
the timeline I gave to your lordships yesterday, I've got a note made.
Yes.
The judgments with propositions that I'm relying on, I've got a note made. And the distinguishing note on the judgments relied on by the other side, I've got that note made. So let me just hand it over to your lordships. If your lordships permit, that may be
Excellent.
easier, and then proceed with my
All
argument.
right.
Mr. Courtmaster. This is, my lords, the list of cases we are relying on. Please give one copy to Mr. Sidbar. This side. Then is Mr. Courtmaster. There are 2 more. Just take this. This is with the letter. So why are you giving me the letter? No. Just 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. My lords, these are the judgments we are distinguishing. The ones I'm now handing over
Yes.
are the judgments. Please give one, Mr. Sidbar. And lastly, what I am giving to your lordships is the timeline that I relied on, my lords, so that your lordships have in place.
That in one place. You've circulated to Mr. Sibal.
Yes, my lords, absolutely. Each of them, as I hand over to your lordships, I am giving 2. And my lords, this timeline I have consciously not included the EC events, because as your lordship said, that's not something that your lordships are getting into. I pretty much stuck to about the first week of July and stopped to the first week of July as far as these list of events are concerned. So my lords, these 3 things are done. And I have given now, my lords, let me straight away come to the 3 or 4 cases that I need to cite, and that's it. Let's keep the PDF page ready. But one argument, my lords, I just wanted to make before I go to the case law are my submission yesterday for your lordship's kind consideration was that this is an artificial distinction sought to be drawn between a legislature party and political party. It has never been our case at all. In fact, we've right through said that it has the political authority of the political party. They are organically and integrally connected, and they're co-joined, and they have to be seen together. That's how the framers of the Constitution always looked at it. And in fact, whenever an attempt is made to segregate, they say, no, we must look at both. Now, that is further fortified if your lordships were to have para 4 of Schedule 10, which is a defense. Of course, I'm not on the defense argument at all, because according to me, I have not incurred 21A or 21B. So I'm not on the defense at all. But please have that why they should be considered together, and one has a bearing on the other. Please have para 4
That's important point.
of the 10th schedule.
Para 4 of the 10 schedule.
Yes, my lord. May I, with your lordship's permission?
Yes.
A member of a house shall not be disqualified under subparagraph 1 of paragraph 2, where his original political party merges with another political party, and he claims that he and any other members of his original political party, and please have 2, for the purposes of subparagraph 1 of this paragraph, the merger of the original political party of a member of the House shall be deemed to have taken place if and only if not less than 2/3 of the members of the legislative party concerned have agreed to such merger. So even when you come to a defense, the bearing of what happens in a legislature party, in fact, they say it's deeming. It's a deeming fiction there as far as the defense of merger is concerned. I'm not for a minute suggesting I'm coming under para 4. I'm just drawing analogy from para 4.
Yes.
To say what bearing does the 2 have on each other. So when you come and say that this is only in the legislature party, nothing has happened in the political party. Well, even in Rana, which is one of the judgments I'll read out, when the defense was taken up of whether there is a split or not. The question was, should the split only in legislature party be seen or the split in political party be seen? Even there, the Supreme Court said the speaker will not embark on an independent inquiry into whether there's a split in the political party, will just take a prima facie view. So they go hand in hand. And this whole argument that you're only the legislature party, not the political party,